In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the expiry date of your hosting plan on Hostinger. So if you've ever found yourself wondering just when your hosting service runs out or when you need to renew, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it. To start, the first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Head over to their website and hit that login button. Enter your login credentials like your email and password, and you'll be in. Now, if you've got two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to enter that code sent to your device as well. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, so it's always a good idea to have it set up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, but we're specifically looking for their control panel, known as H panel. From the top menu, go ahead and click into H panel. It's your central hub for managing all your hosting services, domains, and much more, so it's a good place to become familiar with. Inside the H panel, look to the left or the top of your screen, depending on how it's configured, and you'll find a section labeled Billing. Click on that. This tab is essentially where Hostinger keeps track of all your financial interactions with them, including your invoices, payment history, and most importantly, for our purpose, your subscriptions. After you click on Billing, what you want to do next is select Subscriptions. This is where you can see a detailed list of all your active services. It provides a snapshot of everything you currently have with Hostinger, so if you manage multiple services, this is where they'll all be lined up neatly for easy access. Now, look through the list on your subscriptions page and find your hosting plan. Once you locate it, you'll want to look for the expiry date. It should be displayed right next to your hosting plan. This date tells you when your current plan is set to run out, giving you plenty of time to plan for renewal or make any changes if needed. And there you have it. With just these few simple steps, you've not only found your hosting plan's expiry date, but also familiarized yourself a bit more with Hostinger's system, making you even more capable of handling web hosting tasks independently. Thanks for watching today's video, and I hope this guide helps you stay on top of your hosting game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy hosting!